Hey everybody! I'm here today to show you how to hold a basketball when shooting. This will be a tutorial for the proper basketball shooting technique. That's right, so basically that's a mouthful, but this is a basketball. When you shoot a basketball, there are certain hand positions that you should have and certain arm positions that you should have. Now, I know that I'm filming this in my car and you're like, this guy's crazy, and you're right, I am crazy, but I can show you exactly how to hold the basketball for shooting while in the car. That's right, so pay attention because you're gonna be amazed, and smash the like button for the ambition of me doing this video in the car like this, okay? Let's get into it. You're gonna have two hands when you hold the basketball. Obviously, two hands. You're gonna have what I like to call your dominant hand, and then your other hand, your opposite hand. Now, your dominant hand is gonna be the hand that your handedness is. So for myself, I'm right-handed. My dominant hand is gonna be my right hand. And the other hand, obviously, is gonna be my left. Now, basically, you're gonna have your dominant hand being your, what I like to call your force hand. It's the hand that actually does the pushing. And then your other hand is actually gonna be what I like to call your balance hand. It basically does the balancing on the ball. So it's gonna look like this. Get your force hand. And the way we hold the basketball is not like this. We don't hold it like this when we're about to shoot. You kind of hold it like this. So your palm is like this, and your fingers are just curled just a little bit to the point where they touch the ball. And your fingers are nice and loose, as you can see right over there. So just like that, okay? We're not like this. We're not shooting exactly like this. You're raising your palm slightly off of the ball, okay? Slightly. Not like this. Just take your palm, put your palm on the ball, and then just raise it slightly like that. That's how you're gonna shoot. Because your fingers and your wrist do the majority of the work when you shoot. It's gonna look like this. Now, your other hand is gonna go on the side of the ball in the same way. So look, I got my rear hand, which is gonna be, and that hand goes right in front of my face, basically. I'll go over that in just a moment. But basically, put it in front of your face like that, okay? Now take your balance hand and put your balance hand on the side. Now, as you can see here, I'm gonna turn the ball. This is my balance hand right here. My balance hand is on the side of the ball, sort of like this, and it's gonna be a little bit more raised than the other hand because this is using the very majority of finger strength to keep everything balanced. So when you're about to shoot and you line up your shot, I'm gonna look like this, okay? Now, this is not how my arms should be, because depending on the type of shot you're taking, your arms are gonna be raised above your head. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go down like this, get a little bit more space like that, okay? As I'm about to shoot, I line up my shot like this, okay? As you can see. Now, some people, you don't want to be covering your eye, but you're looking up at the net, don't forget. So depending on your height, that's going to actually determine how high up your hands go. Because if I was really short, let's say, I could put my hands a bit higher because I could still see the net. If I was really tall, okay, you know, I would have to keep my hands a little bit lower in order to see the net. So believe it or not, where you keep your arms is going to depend largely on your height and the type of shot that you're taking. If you're taking a long distance shot, obviously you're going to have to get that ball higher up. If you're taking a close shot, really close, like in layup position almost, in that same distance, you're going to have to get the ball really high up as well. If you're taking sort of like a medium length shot where you're almost taking a 3, then the ball can be a little bit lower. It all depends on the type of shot that you're taking. But basically, this video was about holding the basketball. I don't think I meant to go over your arm position, but I figured that I would mention it because it's super important. You got your force hand, you got your balance hand. Your force hand is your dominant hand. Place it like this, get your palm on it, raise it slightly up, okay? Get your balance hand, place it on the side with mostly fingers. And that's how you're gonna shoot. That's how you hold the basketball before shooting. That's how you're gonna shoot. Like I said, you know, how you shoot is dependent upon your own technique. Every basketball player, every person is different. But hand positioning, that's how it's done. If you like this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment. And of course, be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.